All right, welcome back. Rothschild's Misfit Garage. Farting around the shop today. Here's my buddy. Where's she? Say hi, Nihilus. All right. We're going to be putting the C5 seats in the Lowrider. So we're going to figure that out. I bought brackets to put the racing seats in the Corvette. I will not be buying brackets for the GMC here. It'll be stack some washers, use an old socket, whatever it takes. Old school, lowrider style. For me, at least. That's how I did it back in the 2000s. It was all about what it looked like, not how it was built. For me, I like to just get it done. And get it done, I did. But, so yeah, we're going to see what it takes to get those. And I do have to still need this in the Corvette. The seatbelts are bolted to the seat, actually, in the Corvette. That's different for me. I mean, maybe a lot of cars are like that. I've never experienced that before. Let me see here. No, it's bolted to the floor. Yeah, see, that's what I'm used to. But hey, it's cool. Oh, actually, what am I doing? It's over on this side. And maybe it is attached to it. It is attached to it. Look at that. It's attached to the seat. Okay. So we'll have to get that off the old seat. That off the Corvette, because I do want that for the passenger side. And yeah, so that's what we're up to. Stick around. Looks like we got a few bolts here. One rusty fella there. Over there. Yep. All right, let's 12? 12 or 14? Let's figure that out. Get those going. Headliner's holding up good. That 3M glue I used really kicks ass. It is nice and tight. So, okay. All right, seats out. Still got a floor. So we are 2 for 3 with taking seats out of cars here at Rothschild's Misfit Garage and finding a floor underneath. Corvette, obviously perfect. This, solid. And the Buick, floating. Nothing. Holes, which we still got to do. There's the floors. They're up in the rafters right now. We'll get to it. So let's go ahead and see how these C6 seats, C5 seats, excuse me, fit in. I already got the seat belt off. So we're just going to pop them in there and see how they lay. Corvette seats in the Lowrider. Unfortunately, I thought I'd be able to use that one bolt. It's way... I mean, look at that. I could build a hell of a center console, but it's really pushed over. Let me bring you to the driver's seat and show you the issue. So, you can kind of even see it. You're kind of driving to the left. The seat is not centered on the steering wheel. So I am not going to be able to use the one factory bolt. We're going to have to go fully custom or else. Yeah, you can see I'm askewed. So the Great Lake in between us will have to shrink, and we're gonna have to move this baby over like right about there. So that's gonna take a little doing. Other than that, we're looking pretty sharp in here. Now, Alice, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, buddy. All right, thanks for the help, Al. All right, so let's get these seats back out, and we will figure out. What are you doing? Go around, genius. No, go, like, oh, you bumped into the truck, you got pink head. Go, well, not through. I mean, I guess you can go through if you can make it. You want to go through? Go ahead. No? Hey, why so serious? Oh my. Crazy. Okay, this is about as centered as it's gonna go, but it's good. It's a little, I don't know. It looks cool, but the seats are a bit high. I may have to try and hammer these brackets down, which I really didn't want to do. I don't want to really alter the Corvette seats to get them in here, because Lord knows how permanent this truck is with me. So, but it'll work for now, I guess. I'll just jam it up. I mean, I guess it's, yeah, I mean, it's comfortable. It's not so bad, actually. I'd probably even get used to it. Like, I'm going to put hundreds of miles on this thing. Probably not. All right, you know what? Back with it. Okay, let's bolt it up. One bolt holding them in place for now. I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get back a little bit here. There we go. It looks nice. I guess I'll keep them. I really got to figure out a way to bolt them in, though, and make them safe. Somewhat safe. I mean, safe enough for this. I don't know how safe this truck is. If anyone has ever put C5 Corvette seats in their 98 through, or I don't know, you know, this gen, second gen, S10, S15, Sonoma, whatever. Drop it down in the comment. Let me know what you did. Or if you know of a video, send me a link. I took a quick peek and didn't really find too much. So if anyone has any helpful advice, I am all ears. I'm listening, and I would appreciate it. So I guess for now, I'm going to slap another bolt in there and work on the seat belts. Get those in, and then we'll just wait and see. You know, if anybody, like I said, if anybody has any ideas, let me know. Some videos, drop a link. If not, we will, I guess we'll take a quick walk around before we say goodbye. See what's going on with this old girl. Fuel cell looking good. Here she is. Hasn't changed on the outside much. Oh, we did add that sticker. One of my favorites. Still looking for these. Still got to find those. Not so good lighting over here, but you get the idea. She's looking pretty sweet. Another thing I'm thinking of is doing the headliner for the carpet. Ooh, it's dark. But I don't know. That might be a little too much. The headliner's fun. I think any more might be a bit much, but who knows? It's a lowrider. Have fun. Get creative. So here she is. All right. Well, I guess that'll just about do it for now. Nihilus is exhausted. Yeah, she's ready. She's ready to go home. Not too much else has changed. Still got to come up with something for the hood. Probably just a miniature pair of vice grips will do me just fine. Make a little hook right there, lock them in place, drop it out, pull them, put it back in. That'll work. And you ready to go home now? Let's call it a day. All right. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.